everyone! It's so great to have you here with us today. Today, let's talk about something really important: technology and our beloved seniors. This is a topic close to my heart because it affects so many of us and our loved ones. In a world that's constantly evolving, technology has become a big part of our lives. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, technology is there, shaping our day-to-day experiences. From smartphones to computers, these tools help us stay connected, learn new things, and make life easier. They allow us to communicate with family and friends, access information, and even entertain ourselves. But we know that for some, especially seniors, technology can feel a bit overwhelming. The rapid pace of change can be daunting, and the unfamiliarity can create a barrier. That's why I wanted to have this chat with y'all. It's important to acknowledge these challenges and find ways to overcome them together. We want to help bridge the gap and make technology more accessible and enjoyable for everyone, especially our amazing seniors. By providing the right support and resources, we can empower them to embrace these tools. Remember, age is just a number. It's all about the mindset and the willingness to learn and adapt. It's never too late to learn something new, and technology can open up a whole world of possibilities. From online courses to virtual tours, the internet offers endless opportunities for exploration and growth. So let's dive in and explore how we can make this journey fun and rewarding for everyone involved. Together, we can create a supportive environment where our seniors feel confident and excited about using technology. Whether it's through community programs, one-on-one tutoring, or simply being patient and encouraging, we can all play a part in making technology more accessible. Let's celebrate the small victories and progress, no matter how big or small. Every step forward is a step towards greater independence and connection. So, here's to our wonderful seniors and their journey with technology. Let's support them, cheer them on, and make this adventure as enjoyable and fulfilling as possible. Thank you for joining us today. Let's continue to make technology a wonderful part of our lives, for everyone, at every age. Now let's talk about why technology might seem a bit daunting for some seniors. It's not about age, it's about familiarity. Think about it. The technology we have today is very different from what was around when many seniors were growing up. Back then, phones were attached to walls, and computers were these big, mysterious machines. It's a lot to catch up on, and that's okay. We've all been there when learning something new. The important thing is to remember that everyone learns at their own pace. There's no need to feel pressured or rushed. We're here to take it one step at a time and make this a positive and empowering experience. Let's be real for a second. Learning new technology can come with a few bumps in the road. It's not always easy to adapt to the rapid changes and advancements, especially when it feels like there's a new update or device every other day. But guess what? You're not alone. Many people, regardless of age, face similar challenges when it comes to technology. It's a common experience, and it's perfectly normal to feel a bit overwhelmed at times. Many seniors face similar challenges, and we're here to talk about them openly. Sharing our experiences and learning from each other can make a huge difference. It's all about building a supportive community where everyone feels comfortable asking questions and seeking help. One common hurdle is the fear of making mistakes. We've all been there. The fear of pressing the wrong button or accidentally deleting something important can be paralyzing. But remember, mistakes are a natural part of the learning process. Remember that technology is supposed to make life easier, not more stressful. It's designed to connect us with loved ones, provide entertainment, and even help manage our daily tasks. Embracing technology can open up a world of possibilities. It's okay to experiment, make mistakes, and ask for help along the way. In fact, asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. There are many resources available, from online tutorials to community classes, that can provide the support you need. Another challenge is simply not having enough opportunities to practice using technology. Without regular practice, it's easy to forget what you've learned or feel disconnected from the digital world. Maybe there aren't many tech classes offered in your community, or you don't have anyone to practice with regularly. This can make it difficult to stay motivated and confident in your tech skills. But don't worry, we'll discuss some great resources and solutions in the upcoming sections. From online courses to local community centers, there are plenty of ways to get the practice and support you need. The key takeaway here is that it's okay to ask for help and seek out support. Whether it's from a family member, a friend, or a tech support group, reaching out can make a big difference in your learning journey. We're all in this together. By supporting each other and sharing our experiences, we can overcome the challenges and enjoy the many benefits that technology has to offer. So, let's embrace the journey and keep learning together. Let's get practical, y'all. Here are a few down-to-earth tips to make learning technology a whole lot easier. Start small. Don't try to learn everything at once. Pick one device or app that interests you and focus on mastering that first. Break it down. Learning in small chunks is key. Instead of trying to absorb a whole manual, set aside short, regular practice sessions. Hands-on is best. Don't be afraid to tinker and explore. The more you use a device or app, the more comfortable you'll become. Write it down. Jotting down notes or steps can be super helpful, especially when you're first starting. Think of it as creating your own tech cheat sheet. Now, let's talk about finding the right support system. It's essential to know that there are numerous avenues available to help you navigate the digital world. Remember, you don't have to do this alone. Whether it's learning to use a new device or understanding how to stay safe online, support is just a call or click away. There are so many wonderful resources available to help seniors feel empowered and confident using technology. From basic computer skills to advanced tech knowledge, there's something for everyone. Family and friends, reach out to your loved ones. They can be your first line of support when it comes to technology. Those tech-savvy grandkids can be fantastic teachers. They often have a natural knack for technology and can explain things in a simple, easy-to-understand way. Plus, it's a great way to bond and spend time together. Sharing these moments can create lasting memories and strengthen family ties. Community centers. Many community centers offer technology classes specifically designed for seniors. These classes can range from beginner to advanced levels, ensuring that everyone can find a class that suits their needs. It's a fun and supportive environment to learn and connect with others. You'll meet people who are in the same boat as you, making the learning process more enjoyable and less intimidating. Online resources. Websites and apps like Tech Boomers and Senior Planet offer free tutorials, articles, and videos on a wide range of tech topics. These resources are available 24/7, so you can learn at your own pace and on your own schedule. Remember, asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. It's important to recognize when you need assistance and to seek it out without hesitation. Embrace the support around you and watch your confidence soar. With the right resources and a positive mindset, you'll find that technology can be a powerful tool to enhance your life and keep you connected with the world. Success stories, inspiration from seniors who embraced tech. Y'all ready for some inspiration? Let me tell you about some amazing seniors who dove headfirst into the world of technology and haven't looked back. Meet Miss Helen, a 72-year-old grandmother who learned to video chat with her grandkids across the country. Now, she reads them bedtime stories every week, virtually. Or how about Mr. George, who took a computer class at his local library and discovered a passion for online photography? These stories remind us that it's never too late to learn and grow. Technology can open up doors to new hobbies, connections, and experiences, no matter your age. So take that first step, and who knows what amazing adventures await you in the digital world. Small steps, big rewards, celebrating every victory. Let's talk about celebrating achievements, even the small ones. Each time you conquer a tech challenge, give yourself a pat on the back. Did you send your first email? High five! Figured out how to download a new app? You go! Learning technology is a journey, not a race. It's about taking those small steps, building confidence along the way, and celebrating every victory. Remember, progress is progress, no matter how big or small. Embrace the learning process, and don't be afraid to cheer yourself on every step of the way. Passing on the knowledge sharing is caring. Now that you're on your way to becoming a tech whiz, how about paying it forward? Sharing your newfound knowledge with friends or family members who might be struggling can make a world of difference. Offer to show them the ropes, be patient with their questions, and celebrate their successes. You never know, you might just inspire them to embrace technology with open arms. Remember, we're all in this together. By supporting each other and sharing our knowledge, we can create a more inclusive and tech-savvy community for everyone. Embrace the digital world. You've got this! Well, folks, that's a wrap on our technology adventure. I hope this little chat has left you feeling encouraged, empowered, and ready to embrace the digital world with open arms. Remember, age is just a number, and it's never too late to learn something new. Take your time, be patient with yourself, and don't be afraid to ask for help along the way. You've got this. Now go out there and show the world what you're made of. And hey, don't forget to share your tech triumphs with us. We'd love to hear about your journey.